This is
What all is being grown? What is being grown?
and you can get a lemon tree and lemons. Yeah, but it's too late. You're already showered. I'm on the wheel. That's why.
Why is that so?
Because I never go this in the water. Because the tire tread is so wide. It's like paddles. Hey, I went back. I hit the right at the top.
So when do we turn?
You see the last bush over there?
Go through the bush?
No! You see where the branches are? You see where the branches are?
To where?
You see
Here
the-
or there?
There, right here. Chalo. Why are you like jolting it? That's why you.
I'm trying to get it slow.
And when you like you're gonna fall off. You see how the the road is? Ayan. And I've been filming a 2-minute video the entire time. It's also in action mode. You look at the ground. Oh yeah, why are we so I want a turbocharge or a supercharge. I had to pull it down really hard. You've been riding this I've been filming this for 3 minutes now. Just floor it backwards. Be careful, you're about to hit a bush. What the hell, Ayan? Ayan, don't get off. Your shoes are dirty now. Ay, ¿qué agarra? Ay. Ay. Ay, grabe ko. No, drop. Grabe ka, मेरे को.
पकड़ के रखना ये पकड़ने के लिए है ना गिरा कैसे देगा
उड़ जाऊंगा उड़ा मेरे को. And you should have just washed. And now you want to. And don't do the weird nonsense you do with the jolting. Yeah, but like you're not every time.
Go through there or not there?
Yeah.
I'm trying not to get up.
What are you fucking
It's not
at?
as easy as it looks.
There's a bigger turning radius. Get a bigger one.
Go over that? Yeah. Okay.
And Dream Team too. What's in a Mozu seat on this?
Go.
Oh, you see the red is the fast. You shouldn't be recording and driving. And I'm already recording almost a 7-minute video.